Hey guys, so this is a really small unit I just bought. Welcome to Life After. I'm Jason Vaughn, your host. Life After the before photo. And considering how many of these I've been doing lately, I should be losing some weight, but I'm not eating well right now. But I'm next week starting that, so you'll be seeing that, a new diet plan in the upcoming video, because I've been slacking. But anyway, back to the unit. So it's a 5x12, and let's show you what's in it. I win this because it was, I think I bid $10 on this unit, because there's just not a ton in here, but it was so small it looked like something easy to clean out, you know. Got to deal with that. But lots of VHS tapes, those are usually worth less. But I should be able to get my money back just on this suit right here. So, all right, let's move this real quick. All right, so here's jackets. This one is Nagara, I've never heard of that. And then there's another one. And this one is another brand I've never heard of. But there's some blankets. Oh, what is this? We have wheels. Looks like some sort of toy car or something. I don't know what that's for, but I'm sure they have some sort of value. Fly Emeritus, this soccer. This is a TJ Maxx brand new pants. So that's a nice little thing. That's the reason I bought it. You can see quite a bit of the wood there, and then one of the things of rocks left from that other unit. Thankfully, this is nothing like that. All right, this box, very simple box, a lamp, some Frisbees, chandelier, a little bag down there, and then this AM/FM radio and a frame, photo frame. So I completely forgot to record an ending to this, but there was nothing else interesting in the unit. Sorry about that, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.